So, by the way, it's awesome to see such a nice, big crowd. I think Dilip and his team have done a fantastic job. I think this conference has truly become international standard. So, great job, Dilip. And also, it being fairly early by Bangalore IT industry standards, I'm glad everybody is awake, except for a couple of people who moved around a little while earlier when we shifted people. So today, I'll be talking about innovation. So that's a standard slide that we always have to put up. So today, there's a lot of talk about innovation. You name the public speaker, the industry executive, everybody is talking about how do we get people to innovate? What's the right model? What kind of workspaces do we introduce in a company to innovate? All of these discussions are going on. People are studying Israel, which is one of the most innovative cultures that exist today. The way I look at it is innovation follows a similar line to the Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Do people know what Maslow's hierarchy of needs is? Some of you guys are shaking your heads. So basically, the whole concept is that there are some fundamental needs of human beings, right? Roti, kapda, makan, housing, food, clothing, etc. And then you get to higher levels. Eventually, you get to a point where there's self-actualization. You're able to do great things, provided the rest of the stuff is taken care of, right? Extremely important to understand that very carefully, whether it be analyzing someone's performance, analyzing a company, or whatever. In innovation as well, it truly applies, because the path to innovation is riddled with a lot of bumps, a lot of obstacles that you have to overcome to get to the next step. Right? If every time you have to reinvent the wheel, it becomes very difficult to come up with a car. Okay? So what are the various things that are prevalent in today's ecosystem that are truly enabling innovation? So one, I'm sure everybody in this hall has a smartphone. In fact, more and more people in India are carrying smartphones rather than the original feature phones, and worldwide, of course, that's there. So your ability to reach customers is incredible today. And the horsepower of some of these cell phones is more than, say, a high-powered desktop just a couple of decades ago. And connectivity is tremendous. Jio has made such tremendous changes in the ecosystem in India that, for example, my driver has 3 phones. Each one has network connectivity for free. Now, the other part is with people having smart